Create a new document. My file is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Type your text. Select the text layer and the background layer. Right-click on them and select Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur. I use an angle of 90 degrees and a distance of 50 pixels. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. I use a radius of 10 pixels. Go to Filter, Filter Gallery. Go to Texture and select Grain. Adjust the intensity and contrast to your liking. Select Vertical for the grain type. And that's how you create this text effect.